You guys, as of May the 6th, the United States is pressuring TSMC, if we can say, to get this semiconductor chip thing under control. And this looks good for Ford and Ford Bronco and many other automakers besides Ford. But particularly, we're looking at the Ford Bronco. Now, the United States Department of Commerce is reportedly pressuring TSMC to meet chip orders by automotive manufacturers. Now, the ongoing chip shortage threatens to derail production of the automobiles by leading car makers. And a major source, of problems here in the United States, and a major source of us not, worrying about if we're going to be getting our Broncos on time. Now, America's largest manufacturing industry, Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo, said that TSMC is prioritizing orders by U.S. automobile companies in the next term. Now, Secretary Raimondo spoke to the Council of the Americas, in early May about this critical supply issue and what's being done with the supply chain of semiconductors in the automotive worldwide. And also, they're looking at the returning of manufacturing here in the United States. They reported that they're working hard with the Taiwanese and TSMC, which are, actually a big company, and they're playing an important role in getting this semiconductor issues resolved. And they've been working hard to alleviate this problem. And actually, the way that it looks sort of good. It's good to know that the world is working and moving in the right direction. And with that said, who knows? The future do look bright for this semiconductor problem. And I'm going to keep you guys posted with the more news I hear, the more news I'll bring here at the AO Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have an awesome and wonderful, fantastic day.
Hey you guys, AO Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, subscribe. And thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate you. Until then, we out.